we're now going to add our twisted ribbon. So I'm going to start at this side and I'm going to make this ribbon intersect. I'm going to decide how I want this ribbon to flow into my paper. And now it's up to you where you decide to twist it. Essentially, you just cross it over like this. I would make it light. I'm going to make it a little darker so you guys can see in the video, but for your sake, I would make it light in case you change your mind. You're like, nah, I don't really want it to twist there. And we're going to put this one behind this, and maybe one more twist right at the end, like that. So we got 2 twists going on here. Now comes the hard part, shading it. So whichever part you have going underneath, that is the part that you're going to start out with, and you're going to make that part darker. So this one looks like, I'm going to make this part going underneath, right here. I'm going to start out pretty dark, like this. And I'm going to gradually get lighter as I go down the ribbon. Now this part, strangely enough, stays light at the twist, but then can have a little shadow after the twist. Make that part down there nice and dark. Sometimes you could even add, maybe we're seeing the edge of the white ribbon with the twist right there. I'm going to continue, so it's not just dark medium. I'm going to continue to light. There's our first twist. Now we're going to have to come back here because this is underneath this ribbon. But for right now, let's do our second twist. Alright, so this time, let's say, you know what? No, actually, this still looks like it's underneath to me. We can twist it. You can make a decision. We're going to say this part went underneath. So again, I'm making that point very dark. Then I'm going to medium. Oops, sorry guys, I'm hiding that with my hand. And then we're going to go to light. Over here, add in the shadow a little later on. Let's clean up that edge. Nice and pointy. And there we have our second twist. Now I'm going to show you overlap. So right here, this ribbon comes on top of this ribbon. So this whole edge needs to be dark. And remember, we're following the lines. We want to stay parallel to the lines of the ribbon underneath. So this ribbon on top is going this way. The ribbon on the bottom is going this way, horizontal. So we want to follow those lines and do our dark, medium, light, horizontal. You can leave a little white in there where the shadow doesn't extend. Maybe a little more shadow right here. There you go. Now we still got a shadow on this side because it's also on top of this side of the ribbon. So again, I'm going to come, we're going to do our horizontal lines, dark, medium. You might want to leave a little bit of a white reflection line on the edge of this top ribbon. I don't know how well you guys can see, but I left this little white edge. So that way it helps accentuate the top ribbon. And then we're going to go light. Again, you want to follow these lines, these parallel lines. You want to stay parallel. Alright, and that is it for now for a twisted ribbon.